Jamie just finished this whole set. What's that called? Alien
Conquest.
Conquest. Wow, this is very impressive.
I can tell something.
Yes?
Wait, no. This truck, the model is called Earth Defense Unit, ADU.
ADU, okay.
Earth Defense Headquarters truck.
Okay, show me what I can do. Pretty impressive.
This can open and close, and this can open and close, and this is a jail because it can trap aliens. And here's a gun. It's here.
Mm-hmm.
And this. And look, this is what I made with it, with different Lego.
Okay.
This is this is a jail, and this is a ADU station.
Okay. Okay, show me the ADU truck.
Okay. Here's the ADU truck, and it can open, and that's the driver and his friend, his helper. And this can open and look, this is a gun, and it's powerful. We can see any at a time. This gun, 4 weapons at a time, because it's incredible. And that's its other helper. And that's inside, you can see. And that's where he works.
Mm-hmm.
And that's the other one back there. And a window here and a window there. You see, that's the white, and that's his office. Okay, on this big. They can turn and watch. This can, if you push this, it will shoot all 4 at a time.
Okay, let's see it.
Okay. That's how it works. That's how it works.
Mm-hmm. Very good.
And you can put all 4 back in again. The Earth Defense Unit.
Nice.
Not yet.
Okay. Okay, show me the back.
No, not yet. Still the top. This top. Look, this can open. You can see inside. And there's an office where the driver sits again. Look, this can, the ADU player can turn.
Mm-hmm.
And what?
Good line up.
What's this? What I can do? Put this in and watch.
Wow, angle it and turn. Oh, the base has to be secure. The base wasn't designed too good, right? Kind of easy to come off, right? Be gentle, I'm gonna fall over again, okay?
Boom. Boom.
Nice. Very nice.
And watch this. My hand. Look.
Was that radar?
Yep. Radar for the bad guy, and the bad guy have a radar. And the good guys have a radar. Both have a radar. And look. A door can open and shut, and the computer inside. That's what. If someone get a blob on their head, it will put it with this and put it in. And he's a scientist. Well, it can go in. It can really go in. Watch.
Very impressive.
You know, and look, the computer's in here.